So Tony brings me a 68 Chevy pickup, and he says that every time he hits a bump, he's just hammering hard on the back here. And he's thought he was going to have to go with a C-notch, but if you take a look down here, then you'll see that it has the original axle bumper on it right here. And he's only got 2, maybe 3 fingers of clearance before he's going to bottom out on that. So you don't necessarily need to go with a C-notch on this. I can just go ahead and replace this block right here with this specifically made axle bumper right here. This is about 2 inches shorter, and it's got a denser amount of rubber in there. So it's going to be a little bit tougher, last a little bit longer, and it's be able to take any banging if you really bottom out on this. Your 60 to like 1972, they're basically all going to be the same back here. Now this rubber right here, it comes out generally pretty easy because they're old and tired. I should just be able to grab on this and then just pull it right on out like that. To get it back in, I'm going to need a little bit of lubrication. So you can use some silicone, you can use some glass cleaner. What you don't want to use is anything that has oil in it, like WD-40 or such, because it'll soak into the rubber and it'll kind of make it more difficult to get it in there. To get it in, what I'm going to do is just get this edge right here started right here, and then I'll get a hammer to help encourage it along the way. So something like this. So just like that, now I've got my whole hand clearance in there. I don't have to worry about bottoming out. I don't have to do a whole C-notch. Now you don't have to take the bed off to do all this. I just did it so that I could show you nice and easy like. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because next week, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do another one of these things because we want your truck on the road. I'll see you there, man.